Hi guys, Jimmy with Jimmy's Auto and Firearms. We're over here at our place in East Texas, and today I brought down just a fantastic. This is a Colt Anaconda factory engraved. Hopefully y'all can see that. It's picking it up. As you can see, the hang tag's still on it. I've had this gun 2 or 3 years at least, and I've never shot it. So I thought I'd bring it down here and put some through it. So factory engraved Colt Anaconda. Obviously it's a 44 Magnum, and I've got 6 rounds of Hornady. It's 300 grain hollow points. So let me get my ears on and get loaded up, and I'm going to shoot some steel targets.
We're still in it.
All right, I'm going to shoot some of the gongs and then the bad guy on the ground. So here we go. I have never shot this gun whatsoever. So first time out of the box. Can you see me in the... Yeah, I can see the hands. That's the main thing. Here we go. Wow, as you can tell, the 44 mag is quite a pop. Oh, I think I yanked that one. Came off the strap, so we'll go to the bad guy. Well, that was all 6 rounds. I didn't keep count while I was firing them. It kind of messed me up when I missed that one. So anyway, gosh, what a gun. What a gun. Great trigger, crisp. Just love it, love it, love it. So anyway, thought y'all might enjoy seeing me shoot an Anaconda factory engraved. You know, they're just firearms. As always, guys, thank you for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and we'll see y'all down the road.